Not even grabbing it. Ready? Sit. Down. No, down. Indoor. Are you ready? Hi. What did you do? What did you do? Oh, I don't know. What are you doing? Uh-oh. You gotta go get it. Get your ball. Get your ball. Get in there and get that. Get it. Lexi, get your ball. You can do it. It's okay. Go get it. You're gonna make me get it. What do you say? Lexi? Get in there. Get your ball. It's okay. Get your ball. Get it. Get your ball. Lexi. Get it. You gonna get your ball? I'm gonna get your ball. I'm gonna get it. Get your ball. Get your ball. Don't yell. I'm gonna get it. Here I come. I'm gonna get your ball. All right. Do you want it? Do you want your ball? You're such a suck. Fix your ear. Want it? Don't yell. This is what we go through every morning. I'm not even touching it. Want it? What do you say? Oh, go. You keep dropping it. It's too big for you. Don't bite mommy. Ready? Ow! That was my finger. What? Get it. She hates hardwood floors. Are we all done? Are we all done? Lexi. Hey. Oh no. We're not all done? Now you done it again. Get it. Get your ball. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get your ball. Get it. It's okay. Just be careful of the wire. Good girl. Are you done? Sit. Down. 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 Don't yell. Indoor. Good girl. Go get it. And away. Oh, you were going to go in the living room, I thought. Good girl. Ow! Gentle. Can you be gentle? Are you ready? Are you ready? You don't want me to throw it? Okay, last time. All done? Are y'all done? Lexi? There's nothing in there. Get out of there. Lexi, now. Good girl. Want to say bye-bye? What? Stay. You got a hair out of place. There. Okay.